Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into a really critical idea for anyone using AI. How do we build systems that don't just perform a task, but actually get smarter and adapt over time?
So, let's start with a really fundamental question. I want you to think about your own organization's AI strategy for a second. Is it truly built to last, to constantly learn and evolve? Or was it more of a one-time setup? The answer to that really tells you if your AI is an asset that's growing in value or one that's already on its way to being obsolete.
And look, the stakes here are incredibly high. The organizations that get this right aren't just making small improvements. We're talking about huge competitive advantages, boosting efficiency, cutting down on risks, and ultimately building way more trust with everyone involved.
All right, so here's our game plan. We'll kick off with the core challenge, then I'll introduce a framework for success, we'll look at a practical playbook, cover some best practices from the leaders, and wrap up by looking at common pitfalls you're going to want to avoid. Let's jump in.
Okay, first up, the AI Learning Challenge. In a world where AI tech is changing what feels like every single day, a static, set-it-and-forget-it approach is just a recipe for failure.
This quote just hits the nail on the head. Building AI that learns isn't just a job for the data science team anymore. No way. It's a strategic must-do that affects literally every department, from the C-suite to marketing to operations. Everybody's got a stake in this.
So if a static system is basically doomed, how do we build one that can actually keep up? Well, let's dive into a proven framework for success, and it's built on 3 core pillars.
It all boils down to these 3 things. But here's the key. Don't think of this as a straight line. It's a continuous cycle. You plan, you execute, you measure, and then you use what you learn from those measurements to make your next plan even better. This is the engine that drives lifelong learning.
First up, strategy and planning. This is your foundation, your blueprint. It's where you ask the tough questions, like what business problem are we actually trying to solve here? How is this AI going to create real value? And does our plan include getting the right data to keep our models fresh as the world changes? Without this roadmap, you're pretty much just driving in the dark.
Okay, next is implementation. This is where that blueprint starts to become a real-world system. It's all about moving from theory to practice, picking the right tools, putting together the right team, and just executing with a sharp focus.
And finally, measurement and optimization. You've heard the saying, you can't improve what you don't measure, right? Well, it's never been more true. This pillar is all about using hard data to make your decisions, tracking things like model drift or a dip in accuracy so you know exactly when it's time for your AI to learn something new.
Okay, so we've got the 3 pillars. Theory's great, but how do we actually do it? Let's get practical and turn these big ideas into concrete actions you can take.
Here's your actionable playbook. The key steps are pretty straightforward. First, you've got to do a real honest assessment of what you can do right now. Then you define what success actually looks like with clear metrics. From there, it's all about bringing stakeholders in early, implementing in smaller, manageable phases, and building up your team's skills. And the most important part, you have to be ready to monitor the results and adjust as you go.
Now let's talk about what separates the good from the great. What are the best practices we see from leaders who are really excelling at building these incredible learning systems?
It really comes down to 4 core principles. 1. Always start with strategy. 2. Focus on delivering real, measurable value, not just cool tech. 3. Invest in your people and your processes. And finally, number 4, stay flexible. Remember, your plan is a guide. It's not a straitjacket. You have to be ready to adapt.
Of course, the path isn't always a straight line, right? It's just as important to know what not to do. So, let's take a look at some of the most common challenges, and more importantly, how you can get ahead of them.
So let's break down these common pitfalls and their solutions. If you're worried about misalignment between teams, you need clear governance from the get-go. Hitting resource constraints? You've got to prioritize ruthlessly and show value to earn more. Facing resistance to change? The best thing you can do is educate, show the benefits, and maybe even involve some of those skeptics in the process. The key is to see these issues coming and have a plan from day one.
So, the crucial point is this. Building a lifelong learning system for AI isn't about finding some single magic tool. It's really about cultivating a culture and a process that's built on 3 foundations: a clear strategy, disciplined execution, and a relentless commitment to continuous adaptation. So let's just quickly recap the big takeaways. Number 1, having a learning system for your AI is absolutely essential for success today. 2. That success has to be measurable. 3. Building up your team's capability is what makes all this sustainable for the long haul. And finally, you have to be ready to adapt based on feedback and real data.
I'll leave you with this one final thought. This isn't about some massive, disruptive overhaul you have to do overnight. It's all about building momentum. So what is the first, smallest step your team can take tomorrow to start this journey? Because that's where it all begins.